We are Team DevDynasty representing Sri Lanka. We are proud to represent our project, Lorryswap, a transformative solution for the agriculture sector. Throughout our investigations, we have identified two types of markets in developing countries. One is dedicated economic centers, which are full of farmers or suppliers. Most of the time, these are out from the main cities. The other type called main markets, which are located in the main cities, and these are full of resellers. In the current scenario, there are dedicated trucks, and those trucks are starting from main markets, then headed to dedicated economic centers, and buy some crops for the resellers, then bring back those crops to the relevant main markets. In that scenario, we have identified some major problems. In the dedicated economic centers, suppliers don't have enough idea about the supply and the demand, which leads to wastage.
The Traders Association at the Dambulla Special Economic Centre said that the economic centre had received stocks of vegetables that were several times the demand.
Since we received very large stocks of vegetables during the past 2 days, a large amount of vegetables had also gone to waste.
In the other hand, in main markets, sellers don't have a proper idea about the truck arrival times. This time uncertainty leads to coordinated issues. Since there is so many trucks waiting, there can be some traffic around those main markets. When trucks are headed to the dedicated economic centers, most of times they are moved with empty trucks, which leads to another resource wastage. For above all problems, we have come up with a new solution called Lorryswap. We focused on two mobile apps. In one mobile app, there is an inventory management system. Farmers or the supplier can edit their crop details, which they are planning to bring on a specific date to a specific economic center. In the other hand, resellers can view those added things and can order as their preferences. Those orders are notified to the farmers, and also they can see their sold percentages and know the overall supply and the demand for the whole economic center. Throughout matching economic center's location and also drivers' destinations, we connect in drivers and market sellers. So each driver has a list which contain what they should bring back. To reduce empty trips, we introduce a new character called cargo finders, which are ordinary citizens who are willing to take a transportation for their packages. The market sellers and cargo finders, we facilitate to track the live location of truck drivers to reduce the time uncertainty issue. For authentication API, DNID secure user identity verification for Lorryswap roles. For company program management APIs, DNID enables company registration, helping user connect with trusted business. And also for notification API, we use DNID for real-time user alerts. For messaging API, we use DNID for secure user messaging. As basic plan, we provide affordable access for farmers or the suppliers at $2 per each month and annual discount for rate $30. Agriculture companies or vehicle-related companies or equipment manufacturers who are willing to place an advertisement are available for $45 for each month. From truck drivers, for each transaction or ride, we charge a 4% transaction fee. We have identified our target audience and we have come up with a plan how we achieve market and acquire new customers and utilize our existing customers. Signing. One of our main target is reducing empty trips when drivers head to dedicated economic centers. Here is how cargo finders create a ride, adding package type, measurements, contact numbers of product delivered, pickup and destination locations. When finding a driver, there are two options. One is request a driver by searching through his name. Before request, there is an option to see the driver's profile and also to identify him exactly. By connecting cargo finders and drivers, we achieve one of our main goals, which reducing empty trips when drivers head to dedicated economic centers. The second option is to wait for a request from a driver. On the rights page, cargo finders can view the status of their added rights. Let's move to the driver. When a driver is registered, the driver must be verified by the admin. We also implemented an admin web dashboard to do that. Admin can view and verify driver's license and also vehicles. After verified, driver can edit his journey details. Then driver can view both cargo finders and market sellers' rights, which are related to his journey route. Driver can select rights as his wish up to his maximum vehicle capacity. On the confirmed rights page, drivers can view profiles of cargo finders and market sellers and optimal paths. Another option is the driver can receive special requests that market sellers and cargo finders request to drivers by searching through the driver's name. Before accepting a special request, driver can go through the request owner's profile and the optimal route. All promised rights can be viewed on the confirmed page. Finally, clicking next, driver can view his final optimal route to all locations. Move again to cargo finders. Cargo finders can view the status of their rides. If their rides are booked by a driver, the cargo finder can track the location of drivers. One of our another goal is reducing crop waste each day. For that, we have implemented inventory management system. As an economic center seller, they can add an item to the virtual market by bringing economic center, date, and weight. From here, economic center can view his added items. They can update and delete their added items under some restrictions and conditions. From here, economic center seller can view a summary for each added item in each selected economic centers. He can view his contribution to the entire economic center. On this page, the economic center seller can view existing orders for each added items. Market sellers view existing added items for each selected date and selected economic center. Aggregated item can see the seller's list and details of sellers. Market sellers can select a seller and add the order. The cart page gives a summary of all orders. From here, can update or delete an order under some restrictions and conditions. After that, market sellers can also create a right as cargo finders. Here is the order previously added by the market seller. Here is our inbuilt chat platform. Thank you, and I'm Chamanti Miller, representing Team DevDynasty.